Supreme Court is holding a hearing on the motu cognisance of the COVID situation. Harish Salve has sought to be recused. He was appointed by the Supreme Court as the Amicus Curiae in this case. The Chief Justice of India has said, "We understand you must be pained by it." The Chief Justice has said, "We were not happy to read what some senior advocates have said on this issue." We'll break that down in a bit from now about what really is happening in court. But this is a development in the Supreme Court, which is hearing on the COVID-19 situation in the country. Harish Salve wants to be recused as the Amicus Curiae in this case. The CGI said not happy with comments made by senior advocates. So what were those comments against Salve? Since Harish Salve has decided to recuse himself from the Amicus Curiae in this case, this in connection with the Supreme Court's hearing on the COVID-19 situation in the country. Harish Salve has recused himself as the Amicus Curiae in this case, is what we are just learning from the Supreme Court. The CGI has said not happy with the kind of comments that have been made. It's a big development in the Supreme Court hearing on the COVID situation in the country. Harish Salve, in fact, has recused himself from the Amicus Curiae in this case. Anisha Mathur is getting us more details on that story. Anisha, break this down for us. The reason why Salve has recused himself from this matter.
Well, now we're looking at a controversy brewing in the court right now. What the court has said, what Mr. Salve has said, that he is recusing because there were allegations and objections raised by members of the bar, by senior advocates regarding his appointment as Amicus Curiae, saying that because he was appearing for Vedanta and he's appeared for several industries, he should not have been made Amicus Curiae. Now, what Salve has said is very important. This is probably the most sensitive case that the judiciary has ever heard, and he does not want that a sideshow regarding his involvement is created, and that is why he's recused. What is important, however, is while this development is significant, the centre has once again asked for time. They have said that their reply on the national plan on COVID preparedness is not yet ready, and they will be able to file a response by Monday or Tuesday. So while Mr. Salve's recusal is very significant, it points out that the Supreme Court is not happy with the criticism it received since yesterday when this matter was taken up. What is even more significant is that the centre has once again asked for time instead of filing a national plan.
All right. All right, Anisha, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Anisha Mathur with that story from the Supreme Court of India.